Okay, in this video, I'll show you how to create a Google Vid. This is a new thing they have. It's not available on all accounts, but it's looking good. Start me a video. Play in your story. For example, how to make cocktails. Next. It's going to suggest each step. So this is where we need to just actually poke edit and put in the actual script for each screen. So we might want that to be different. So this is where you just go to edit and then just type in the actual words that you want it to say for each one. Okay. And then we go next, and then we choose design. You can choose this one. Create draft video. And what this will do is it will create the entire video sequence and it'll pull in stock video for you using AI, and it'll create what it believes you would like to have for your video. And here we go. Well, making 101. In this video, we'll explore the basics of making delicious cocktails at home. Let's start with an introduction to the essential elements of cocktail making. We'll cover right? And so here is the scripts. So if you find that AI had kind of re-augmented your text, might have text to come back into here and put in the actual text that you want. So scene 1, here's the video for there. Scene 2 is the video for that one. Scene 3, etc. You might find that you don't like some of the videos, so you can click the video in any of these. Say, let's see, this one, and then you can go replace video with stock and width, and then you can find choose around here and here. Okay. The other thing is, let's just say you redo the script. So you click down in here. This is where the text is. How's that? That actually it's in here. So these are the voiceovers, right? So that's the voiceover here. The margarita. So if I go back here, it goes, let's begin with a classic favorite, the margarita, right? And here's the script here. But if we want to reword this, we go, let's begin with, and anything, classic favorite. And then what you need to do is generate the voiceover again. That should be the same voice. Let's begin with it, yuck. And Jen, update voiceover. Yes, replace. So what I will do is it'll create the voiceover here with the new wording, and then I'll put it back in place, and then replay that. Let's begin with an amazing classic flavor, the margarita. It's got music going on, right? And when you're done, you can click play, or you can share it. So it's pretty cool what it can do, and that didn't take long at all. All right.